Hello Moose, how are you today? Hello again. I am very happy today because, wait a second, I'm going to put my binoculars on. Come on, put your binoculars on with me. Look through the window. What's the weather like today? Yes, today is a beautiful sunny day. That's why I'm so happy. But I'm also happy because today I brought you a surprise that I made for you. Let's see. Can you call with me? Surprise! 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 Let's see. What's inside this box? Let's see. Oh, what are a pair of white shoes doing inside of this box? It will have something to do with the book that I'm going to read to you. Let's see. I'm going to leave this pair of shoes aside and we are going to call for the book. Book! 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 Let's see. Oh, look! The book was inside the box too. Let's see. Oh, look! I have been painting and drawing this book for you. Hope you enjoy it as much as me. Are you ready to start? We are going to open our ears. We are going to open our eyes. Whoop! And we are going to close our mouth. Story time, story time. Open your ears and close your mouth. Let's see. Open the cover, take a look, and read yourself a storybook. This book is called Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Let's see. Oh my God, look. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Let's see. Yes, red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along, singing his song. I love my red shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Let's see. Yes, blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along, singing his song. I love my blue shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Let's see. Yes, brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes. 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 stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? Let's see if you guess. Yes, white. But now they were wet. They were all wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes. 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 The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along singing your song. Because it's all good. And this is the end of the story. So, let's see. This pair of white shoes have something to do with the story. Yes, very good. Because Pete, what was Pete wearing? Pete was wearing white shoes. Very, very good. Okay, hope you like the story. And we will continue with another new story tomorrow. Lots of kisses. Have a nice and beautiful day. Enjoy it. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.